y'all, happy Tuesday. So I had to go get some things from Sam's. They got a sale that's going on until instant savings until the 18th of August. So some of the stuff on instant savings, like I say, $3 each on this Downy. Y'all know this is my favorite, this and the Persil. But I didn't even think about it, y'all. I just bought a lot of Arm & Hammer. So I won't be buying any more this year for the rest of the year. I got my Degree deodorant. I got these Always panty liners. I thought this was block cheese, but it's sliced. I'm doing taco salad tonight. And I love these chips. Got to bake them though. For not long. Then I got these finished things. I hate that they're not in a bucket, but I have my bucket from the other, so I'm just gonna dump these in there. I like the bucket thing and take up less space. These Honey Nut Cheerios, these 2 big boxes are $5.68 right now on that sale. So I went ahead and got my son too, because he'll eat those in the morning for breakfast. I got some of this Bisquick just to have. They said make 145 pancakes, but I also saw a recipe for a peach cobbler with the biscuit. I want to make it because I'm trying to find my grandmother's recipe and I haven't been able to find it yet. And I got my bath tissue, I got my paper towels, I got 2 cases of water and some LaCroix sparkling water. And that's it. Y'all know how much this was. And I got some things that's coming to the house. Oh, my spray deodorant coming to the house. And I think I got my grandson. They restocked those Levi jeans, I believe. So I got him a pair or 2 of those. And that is it. This is 200 almost. Well, this ended up being they say it's 169. So some of the things I ordered, that's what so I need to write Sam's because they asked for feedback and I'm gonna give it to them. When they gave me my receipt, when you get your receipt, they show what you actually purchased, right? So, because when you do your sale, whatever you purchase, that's what that's the amount that they give you. But they don't tell you what you didn't have. They need to send you something saying you ordered this, we didn't have it. But you don't get that. So now I got to go back and see what I ordered I didn't get. I don't like that. But anyway, so they say it was 169 and I say 22. All right, y'all have a blessed day. It's very hot. Please stay hydrated. If you feel yourself getting weak, get out. I can't stand the heat. One of my medications tell me to not be in contact with the heat. And couple of days last week, I got in the sun and got an instant headache. But thank God this week I don't have that. Y'all be blessed. Good morning, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. How's everybody doing? Welcome all my new subscribers. I'm now at 15.7. It's moving slow, but like I said, if it's authentic and I'm fine with it. I mean, sometimes I look at everything I go through as God's protection, whether big or small. Y'all look at my hair right here. I think the sun making it look like that. Yeah, it don't look too bad. I trimmed it myself. I don't like how this is laying, but I think it got wet. I was sweaty yesterday. But anyway, enough about me. How's everybody doing? Prayers out for the families. Mama Margaret, past Christian, Mississippi. She would comment on my posts and everything, and I consider her like a virtual aunt, a virtuous woman in the church, a grandmother, just, a widow, just a lot. And so my prayers going out for Alicia and Jordan, the kids. And just sending prayers and my condolences to them. I got to get them a card and send to them too. I was looking for something and I had ended up going on a popular funeral home where, I don't like how my hair look right here. They had, and it was a guy that I had grew up with. He used to be real good friends with my cousin. My cousin is deceased. And I saw he had passed, and I hadn't heard anything about it. So y'all, hold your people close. I'm learning as I've gotten older. Look at these people on their life. That's why you cannot just pull off right here. I'm learning the older I get is to treat everybody as if the last conversation with them may be the last. It's just y'all's life, man. Woo. Anyway, I didn't want this to be sad. I just want to come on here too and talk about a situation. Do y'all watch Kendra G singles? My face looks greasy, but it's not. It's moisturized though. certain angles, a lot. You know what? I got a light thing I bought to go on my camera, and I really need to use it. I'm gonna get it set up. But anyway, and so on Kendra G, a lot of times they're talking to women who have kids with men that they're not married to, and the women will say, well, I'm not with my baby dad anymore. We broke up X amount of years ago. And then the question she asks is, when the last time you've been intimate? And a lot of times they say, with my baby daddy. So even though they're not in a relationship, they're still sleeping around or whatever. And so, you know, first of all, if we're doing things that are not godly, and I say we because I'm included in this. I've been guilty of it too. We have to realize that we're allowing ourselves to be victims. Because, you know, if you've had a baby with a child, with a guy, and he don't want to honor you to be his wife, but just his baby mama, a term I don't like, I told y'all, then I mean, you're selling yourself short. And like a lot of men now, like the men that are looking to date women, they're saying that they don't want a woman with kids. It is not about the kids, it's about the relationship with the baby daddies. And I get it. I really do get it. Because here recently, there was a situation where a lady and a young girl and her boyfriend, she had a baby with them or two. They split up, and he came through and killed her and the boyfriend. Now, to me, the boyfriend was probably just an innocent bystander. This was a girl. I don't know all the particulars. I don't know. But I'm saying, y'all, that situation gets to be chaotic. It really, really does. So, you know, when we get back to the basics and to the old-fashioned values and stuff, then I think the world will be a better place. I'm going to come back, y'all. I got to run to Walmart. I'll be back. Happy Saturday, y'all. Went out. This is my birthday month. Hey, this is my birthday month. So I went out to the store. It's not as hot as it normally is, I guess, because I went early. Took my son to get get his haircut. And then my brother wanted to go to the store. Did he say he didn't? But I ended up going over there anyway, just to check on him. But anyway, so this is what I got. Y'all know what a cushaw is? I have a recipe. If you're from the South, you may know what this is. This is considered a squash. We take it in the South, we take it and we boil it down, and then we take it and put it in butter and fry it with almost like you do sweet potatoes. My mom used to take it and make what they call a pone. Y'all know what that is? Like you do sweet potatoes like a pie without a crust. She would do hers like that. But I like to cook mine down, fry it down, and make biscuits and fried chicken with it. Just an old Southern girl. That's who I am. I got me some peanuts. I did an order for last week. I needed some for Friday, and she gave me the raw. I should have taken it back because I called myself roasting. That was a hot mess. They were horrible. Y'all, this thing of okra, this okra was $3 something a pound. This was $6.99 at the Cost Plus store. So, of course, you have to have 10% of that. They say this was 2 pounds. It doesn't feel like it, but it may be. Nobody in my house eats okra but me, so I'm going to make this with some sausage and shrimp. Where is my shrimp? Man, you see my dry shrimp? I put here it is. This is what I make. If y'all can't find dry shrimp, I'm telling y'all, it amps up the flavor in any of your gumbos or whatever. If you can't find some dry shrimp, I'm telling you, just try it. I was out of celery salt. Celery salt is very, very good in your fried chicken. It really is. And I also was out of fennel seed. I use this when I make lasagna. These little things were $1 and something. Y'all, I paid for fennel seed. The last one I got, I paid $4. So I said I was going to try this out brand and just see. It's just seasoning, right? I got bell pepper. My son wanted some marshmallows. I told him, he asked him that's all he wanted. I got celery, sweet potatoes. He got a little thing, animal crackers. This meat here was regular $5, y'all. It had $2 off, so that's for his lunch this week. And then I got me some mustard and turnip greens. And y'all, I'm cooking something I usually cook once a year. I know a lot of people don't like it. You don't have to like it. That's fine. I'm eating it though. I mean, it's something I like. It's unhealthy, but I don't eat it all the time. Usually for New Year's, I got me some chitlins. And I had them in water, so that's why I'm not showing them. But that's what I had a taste for. You know, I'm like this. You only get one life. Do what you eat, what you want in moderation, right? I've been wanting a peach cobbler since I came back from San Diego, because we couldn't find any soul food. I've been wanting a peach cobbler, but I haven't eaten it yet. But eventually I will make me one. I will. But I'm not going to sit there and eat the whole thing. You understand what I'm saying? So moderation is key. I mean, you know, that's it. All right. Y'all be blessed. Talk to y'all later. Bye.
Hey y'all, today is Wednesday. It's August 7th. I'm coming on. I have a special request. Y'all know I had this thing about begging and everything, but I'm asking for someone else. Mama B she used to make YouTube videos, and she would show you how she would cook. It would be her and Miss Betty. She lived in Newport. She lives in Newport News, Virginia. Well, earlier this year, Miss Betty died, and Miss Betty was Mama B's caregiver. And now she posted a GoFundMe. She's actually been placed on hospice, and she needs to travel to Greensboro, North Carolina, to be with her daughter, who's now going to be her caregiver. And she says that she has to be transported by ambulance, and the fee is $4,000. She's 80 years old, and she has made a GoFundMe. She's not asking for material things. She's not asking for money to go and buy things that she wants. She's asking for a need that she has. The need is to be transported by ambulance. $4,000 is what the cost is, and she has a GoFundMe. So I did a short, didn't get much response, but I'm going to share her GoFundMe here. If the Lord has put it in your heart to help her, nothing is too small. She just needs to get to where she can be cared for. Thanks in advance for any who are willing to help her. Mama B, you're in our prayers. Much love.